Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign in to your existing account in Heyday. So let's get started right away. First, open the Heyday game. If this is your first time opening the game, you will need to play through the short tutorial. This only takes a few minutes. Once you complete the tutorial and reach the main game screen, you'll be able to access the menu. Now, look for the menu icon in the top left corner of the screen. Tap on it, and then tap on the Settings button. In the Settings menu, you will see a Login button at the top. Tap on the Login button and you'll be taken to the Supercell ID login page. Here, tap the Login button again to continue. Now, enter the email address that is connected to your Supercell ID. After typing in your email, tap the Login button again. A verification code will be sent to your email. Go to your inbox and check for the code. Once you have it, return to the game and type in the code. After entering the code, you will be asked for your password. Type in your password and tap the Login button one more time. You will now be logged into your Heyday account. Your old farm and all your saved progress will now load automatically. And that's it. That's how you log into your existing account in Heyday. Thanks for watching.